I want to use love, take balance everything. Come on, man.
Why your face they shine like this?
No, my courage. Our makeup girl, he just hug me. He can't shine for his neck.
Full everywhere.
He just hug me. Now the thing just shine just full on my head.
If you see all the face they shine.
If you see my blood self, they shine. Courage. But you know I love you. You know I love you real.
Oh my word.
I love
Friday, my favorite day for inside the week. My favorite day. Welcome to Friday. Friday, I'm very sorry that you had to see me cheat on you with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but you know me and you, we are together. All the while, I had you in my mind.
Mayowa
Friday.
She liked to cheat.
Friday. Friday, I love you. I love you, Friday.
I love you.
And today is now our day. Let's romance ourselves. Me and you,
Monday,
Friday.
Monday, I love you.
No, no, lie.
Monday, Monday, na man name. Okay, I see. Wednesday.
I know girls when they be at Tuesday.
Public holiday. I love you. Wait, see. Must it be? But why people? Okay, make I leave that. I want to go back to say why people they always wrong towards Friday.
Towards Friday. Yeah, because you know, say for people where they work, especially those where they do 9 to 5, it's actually stressful, especially if you did this part of the country where we did.
But you see, they work tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
But you see the feeling, okay, like somebody like me now, they reach office 4:45 a.m. every day. So the fact say I no go leave early, that's early on Saturday. Joy.
Mayowa, in other words, you are just a lazy girl.
No, that's not true.
You are just a lazy girl.
That's not true.
You're just lazy.
That's not true.
Okay. Another thing, I want to say apology to people them. We go misunderstand when I talk Aboki yesterday.
Right. Yeah.
Please.
You do that.
We apologize. Me personally, Ogbolor, I apologize to you. Please, I'm sorry. I don't mean that the way I take tika.
Yes.
Because for this place, we they use that one word for anybody from North. And you people will know better. All right? So we apologize. I'm very, very sorry. Mona no verse, I beg.
Yeah, he didn't mean it in the bad way.
my people.
Yeah.
And I love all of you.
And besides, as a matter of fact, that Aboki where they talk, you are sitting down next to one. Because what's the difference between me and them? I speak Hausa past my mama language.
And some people say, and based on say religion thing, and say some people now be Christian, we come from North and all that thing. And I just joke.
Besides, not get plenty languages. Birom, they dear, Kataf, they dear, those from Jos, they dear, those from Kaduna State, they dear, those from it's everywhere. So it's okay.
So we are very, very vast in that area.
Yes, we are very versatile. Let me versatile.
I blow versatile. Why go use versatile?
No, I just want to use English.
We are very, very aware.
We are very aware. So that they go no say we mean now.
Yeah. So one more time we are sorry. I'm sorry. Funny video now when they come back.
Funny video, bawo.
Now funny video.
You don't even tell them welcome to the show.
Now welcome. Ruka. Now that dance, that make me forget it. You are welcome to PADI show today, and we welcome all of you. Now you don't make me go forget.
Oh, but no, I did not make you forget anything. I have tonsillitis.
Mayowa. Make you no go do surgery.
Belu. How some people they call them belu.
You know they reach where surgery go reach.
No. It's a tonsillitis.
Not too much talk. No,
don't do that. Don't say that.
Not too much talk.
I don't like you.
Go on break with the comeback. Not too much talk. When you talk too much for your dream, you talk. For coven, you talk. Everywhere you go, you talk. Okay. Anyway, Mayowa like this, we go jump enter yarn the yarn. But to end today's show, we get some tips for some particular topic on ground. Okay, but we're not going to reveal every. Now, we'll let Mayowa they flip her hair. No, her acquired hair. From there, we'll know how every. Okay, so we'll go for this particular break. We they come back to get
Barbie doll, Barbie doll, Barbie.
Look at her. Look at her.
They are very ratchet.
You're very right.
They are very ratchet.
You're very.
I am a tush girl.
They talk rubbish. Even the power don't say nothing. Go tush, rara.
No, don't do that.
Oh,
see,
tush,
you can't be saying that kind of thing.
I like that when they talk. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
It's tush behavior. Don't do that.
You are proud, badge. Proud baby. Okay.
Wait. Okay. This first gist, will not be only you. That's why I say wait. As a person say, if I talk, you go be like say we dey insult ourselves. Now make me just calm down. Like just sing.
We be tinning beku. Me and Mayowa, we tinning.
Ogbolor Mayowa tinning beku.
Tinning beku.
All right. based on the first gist we can say and this morning, now this particular philosopher, I've been a scientist, I've been a psychologist, or psychologist, or psychologist, something. Sociologist, University of Utah. In common, Nicholas Wolfinger, name being name.
Nicholas
Wolfinger.
Nicholas
Wolfinger.
Nicholas
Wolfinger.
Okay.
Wolfinger. Nicholas Wolfinger. Nicholas Wolfinger.
Nicholas one finger. Nicholas one finger. Nico. One finger.
This particular man where we just dance to his name, so he come out talk say the chances of you to get divorced when you marry is longer if you stay longer before you get married.
I beg to differ.
Wait now.
Objection, my lord.
Calm down this way.
Sorry.
Calm down. Are you calm?
Yes, I'm calm.
You are calm. We are all calm.
I'm calm.
We are all calm.
I'm calm.
Okay. The man said that the longer you stay before you get married, according to his own statistics, the more your chances of divorce. Now, in contact say if you marry after the age of 33, there's a big percentage say you go divorce. In talk say because the odds of divorce they reduce by 11% by every year. So the earlier you marry between your early 20s and your late 20s is better for you to reduce the odds. You are likely to have an happily ever after. Now, another guy, another sociologist from University of Maryland.
Tell them.
He come out, Philip Cohen, he say, objection,
objection,
my lord. Objection, my lord.
I beg to differ.
I come to tell you
What's
based on psychology, based on analysis, based on anything, based on African community survey and around the world and even Africa and America. In common contact say, excuse me, the longer you stay before you marry, the more your chances of staying together because you don't understand the sociology of life.
Yes. You go down, Bo.
Yeah.
You go down there.
Yes. He says, so don't need for you to rush. Take your time. Because the more you understand about marriage, the longer you stay in it.
Oh, what's that name? Oh,
Philip Cohen.
Cohen is my guy.
No, that year for physics, he get one particular law where concern Cohen.
I
don't forget.
Cohen's law of magnitude.
Something like that.
I hate physics that year.
You don't hate and reach me.
You see what Bristol's law of movement.
No, not be physics. My sister na chemistry.
Chemistry. No, chemistry self. My teacher for secondary school. He made me hate chemistry.
The one where I like
you want to see physics? Which one be that one?
Agriculture.
No, apparatus colesse. Agriculture, biology, economics.
Aspilia africana. Arico papaye.
Oh, bragade.
Dogoyaro trees. Espana espolio.
We know. Not to say you're going to rant.
I'm telling you, we know. We go school. So you have to go to school.
Shitty cultivation. Mixed cropping.
Yeah, then when you enter biology, you can't enter like reproduction.
Yeah,
you can't enter the skeletons of a woman being and only follows mosquito.
Invertebrate vertebrae.
Yes.
We know.
I will tell you this thing.
We did draw hibiscus that year.
Yeah, we go draw.
Label the flower hibiscus.
You go close eye, draw human skeleton, label am.
Label am. Because this is the forelimb, the forearm, the skull, the eye socket, the adriatic vertebrae, the mitochondria, the every chondria, the vertebrae.
You make me proud.
You draw hibiscus.
I draw hibiscus.
You can't label petals. You say petals one.
You go open up. You go come out one petals. Draw one petals.
Draw for corner. You can't label them. We know book not a joke with us.
Too much.
Draw and label every.
Meanwhile, no rush enter marriage. No hurry in life. Calm down.
Basically, mature first. For me personally, is to mature. You don't say go to go for house. You understand? But you want mature.
No some kind of certain things.
You understand? When you go reach too many things for this world.
They should move you again.
Exactly.
Because when you marry,
your eye don't come down.
Testing, they go test you. So just make sure say you know hold tight anything to your chest.
So I speak for all the single men and women were outside there. Where don't they go?
All the single ladies.
You just did.
All the single ladies. All the single ladies. I'm with your best friends. Whooping around. I'm loving a fan. Coming up in me.
Okay.
If you like it and you know we put a ring on it. If you like it and you know we put a ring on it. So we know I'm right to my finger. If you like it and So we were having a very intimate conversation.
Very deep one.
Yeah. We've been get heart-to-heart conversation. We can't say make we share them.
Innuendo.
Something don't fall for my shoe. something. Ogbolor, this thing wait for my shoe.
I don't see another
You
shine,
know
shine.
the importance of finding it.
Now the shine with that too. Oh, now one of the bling from the shoe.
Wobe.
Wobe. Please, he who findeth it, Mayowa, no go open silver
No, come on.
cinema for people.
I can't do that.
Yeah, it don't fall again. You see, when you go say make you the wear original shoe, you don't go the wear.
Shut up.
You want the wear for couscous.
Shut
up and
up
down.
your mouth.
You see, as for public TV now, Mona show and wear.
Okay, una the sha.
Mayowa, no turn,
No
turn.
Ogbolor not be your mate.
No, now waiting.
Aldo.
Forget on top now Aldo, under na Dunlop.
No,
Not they talk
stop
this kind of thing. Come on, they talk rubbish. It's no go turn. Hey, don't do. So I stand up now. You too like to kneel down for front of people.
Tell me sorry.
For waiting. You are used to kneeling down, this girl. You are a very nonsense somebody.
I'm in my princess mode.
Princess mode.
Tell me sorry.
Yeah, stand up now. I don't like the way you are doing this like this now.
Say sorry.
Yeah, sorry now. Sorry. Which kind of laugh with that one? She needs to support this happy product. I get one of my friends.
So good.
R&W.
I want to go to the gaga see
Even we. Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. There's some people they do this.
Even
thing.
this our makeup Sarah.
Yes.
She gets R for her name. She knows her.
My name is Sewa.
My name is Selva.
Sewa. I want to use Owo to fire Akawa. To do what? To fire Akawa. To do what? To fire Akawa. Sorry. Those are my friends at the Yap. So anyway, several obvious reasons why you not supposed to get runs with man we don't marry.
Or woman, as the case may be.
Or the case, yes, exactly, because now two sides is be. So the point is, I want this out given like this, like this.
You know, say apart from conscience reason.
Yes.
Apart from conscience reason, we still want to give you some kind physical, personal reason.
Yes.
Not be even about conscience now, not be about morale.
Yes.
Not be about because we know they judge anybody.
Yes.
Not be about morale or anything, but we just want to give you some kind of things where you know, say you they think about on a regular. Make I start or you go start.
No, ladies first.
Number one, you go know, say you go just develop some kind of likeness for room service. Hotel room service. Because you go just realize, say hotel go be your best friend.
Yes.
Because when you want jam in house, may your wife catch you.
May your wife catch you, bath you for total like this.
The same thing with the woman, may your husband catch you.
Exactly. So hotel can't be the enter hotel, they'll say, my auntie, welcome.
Room 17, take the key.
Yes, room 17. Yeah. I tell you get the original key. We get the spare. Just in case. Then you call and they say, is the AC still cold? Because last time I came here, it was not cold.
It was not cold.
Please, make sure it's cold.
And please, you have my favorite. Tell your canteen that she sent it to me. You know they go restaurant again, and for room service, go the other food.
Okay. Point number 2. You can't get too many nights where you don't gauge the weight and the guy feel disappoint last.
Hi.
You understand? Because the original wife, if you just wake up, say, where are you, honey? Come back home straight. Now, me say, when I know if you plan something together, and at the end of the day, say the thing will work out together because somebody else will carry the man attention, will be the original person with the on ground. So either way for the man or for the woman. Because now, you know they in the opudential.
You know they pure.
The hair, that's pium thing. So if you don't go gas, okay, I wear my red dress tonight, I'm waiting for you, darling.
Sorry.
Meanwhile, your original darling will just call and say, come out now.
Sorry.
Your dress will just go like that.
They'll give you reason. If you do mistake there for office, they feel locked inside office there.
Exactly.
Carry key go out.
Exactly.
Another thing they say, you know in your heart of hearts for both man and woman, you know in your heart of the heart that anytime where person do mistake catch you now together, is either they introduce you as cousin or niece.
Mean my cousin.
My friend's daughter.
My very good friend.
Or my very good friend.
My very good friend.
Or we are colleagues or we are discussing business.
My best friend.
Something. They will not introduce you as something for your mind. You go to check you say, I'm your lover.
We hold ourselves heart to heart. It's not fair on me.
You said you loved me 2 seconds.
Oh my God. Ouchie. You see, so you're not going to be the original. Because they're going to introduce you like that. Point number 4. Every likelihood they say the man with his own wife or the woman with her own husband don't born pikin finish. I know I'm born again. Meaning say with you, no issue of issue.
Yeah, meaning say if you stay with him 3 years, 4 years, you go still there.
You go still there. You know go say when I want born.
And you go they jealous for you.
No.
But you know if you do anything.
But you know if you do anything. If you come and knock your head on the wall, nothing. So originally say children I be the bond between couple schools. So just not say pikin.
Well, this next one I want to talk, it sweets me.
Oh yeah, talk.
You know if you just wake up one day say, oh my God, I'm having a bad day. Beep. Hello, babe. Where are you? Now lie. You know fit. You go give you category for like 8 p.m.
to this time.
To like 8 a.m. Don't call me.
Exactly.
I'm at home.
Exactly.
So whether they run another package there, who knows? As far as you are concerned.
Exactly.
He or she is at home.
So you cannot be that free.
But him or her can call you at any time because you are the single one.
Yes. Because you be the single
How ironic.
one, now be the double. You understand? So you cannot just feel like that. My own point now says sweet me.
Tell me.
You know if you all wake up, just go buy the person gifts. Anyhow.
Why you want to explain? Why you want to explain?
How you want to explain for original for house? How you want to explain? Give that one for house. So you know, just feed your wake up, just do as you like. It's not your own. You know, it's not your own. If you wake up, just I surprise you. You know, I want to call you, baby.
Yeah.
This one, the gifts you go the plan now. Madam, don't travel.
Oh yeah, let me buy you gift.
I'll buy you gift.
Oh, but you can't know another one be saying, you know, if you come things, special occasions like anniversaries, your birthday, how? No time. No time. You can't tire to hear things like, I wish I had met you 10 years ago.
Yes.
You would have been married a long time ago. I wish I had met you before him. I wish I had this, you go here and whether man or woman.
That one might be the one lie where they deceive many people. Oh, if I had met you 10 years ago, my life would be better than this one now. Nah, lie. 10 years from now, they think give you that same gist. So, anyway, okay, my own next point now.
13.
13. No, I don't talk 13.
No, talk am.
Wait, before I reach 13.
Talk that
I want
13.
to talk this one first.
Which one?
You go always hear that gist. Say, if not the man will talk, say, my husband doesn't understand me. You are the one that understand me. You understand me very well.
You make things easier for me.
You make things very, very easy for me.
Even for the woman, my husband doesn't know how to make me feel better.
Yeah.
He doesn't understand me. He doesn't know how to make me feel like, but you. Oh my God, I love you. I just wish
you know
I just
me.
wish circumstances were different.
You know me. You know the real me. You know the me. You value me as a man. You understand? You're going to hear that 247.
You're always there. You can't
but
like,
you're not going to ever be the original.
I'm here for you, baby.
You always there here for it, baby. You will never be the original. So it's a problem.
Now, we get another thing. You go find out, say, over time, you're not going to come out with your friends. You're not going to go outings with your friends because you go just there every time because you go to still say, maybe you go get 1 or 2 or 3 hours to spare with me. So you go there wait for them every time, but you not go feel they come out with your friends again.
True.
Because you they wait for them make it come see you. And the funny thing is, say, he go about in business, and when it they convenient for them, he go find you come.
At
but
convenience.
you go ignore every other thing because you they wait, make he or she, as the case may be, find you come.
Okay, at this particular point in time, a juncture, we get different ones. There's
plenty.
Yeah, there's still plenty for here.
More than one more.
Okay, this one, if I understand this one, number 16.
Make I explain and give you.
Explain now.
You see that
as woman where you be.
That woman, if other women find out,
Bam.
maybe your friends who don't marry, find out saying a married man you they date. Your own don't finish you. They feel not talking for your front.
That respect is supposed to come.
Even though maybe before they marry, then they follow you do. You understand? But once they don't marry, see saying a married man, they follow. Holier than thou attitude.
Yeah, exactly.
You go turn the bad ship. Nothing what you do will make sense to them again.
Yeah.
Now the truth be that.
I make I even talk one when even this paper say. You go the fellow person we don't marry. When you self marry, they follow your own, not vessel. Because anything you sow, you will reap. Anything you sow, you shall wear it.
Like we talk, we're not like somebody they talk say for Twitter say we they criticize. We know they talk opinion, but waiting we see, we go talk.
Exactly.
Analysis where people carry comment, we will tell you.
Exactly.
Our own is to come and give you corporate amebo.
Exactly.
You understand? So when somebody saw something, we give you.
Yes.
Simple.
Edutainment.
Yes. Edutainment. Thank you.
Educationalize you. And entertainment you. Amebotainment.
Something like that.
You understand? So all this one don't talk like this now. Please, if you find yourself for this kind of situation, maybe one person where don't marry, they sweet you. Or on the wrong parole, man or woman.
No matter the situation, you need to end it.
We know some people now, they were kind of the team based on some kind of situation where they find themselves. Say, maybe one kind of crooked thing happen, or something not too pure for you. Or maybe
you need to
they give you help. Come say, okay, want they call you for corner or something.
You need to think about it.
Think about it. Because if you not be original, you not be original.
Because the truth be say, even if at all a living wife for you, you will never be happy. Because one day you go wake up, look you see, say you are the reason why he lost the happy family he had.
Oh, Mayowa, preach. Oh, you wicked, this guy. too much. Okay, so we dey come back now. I will go break. The pain.
Don't forget, say you fit follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. We did there for you. I beg, follow us. And then on top, Instagram at Mayowa Lambe, at Ogbolor, follow the station at Wazobia TV, NG. Okay, and then when you follow us for Twitter, you feel even talk your own things then where you feel say people need to consider before they enter some kind relationship like that. You understand? You need to tell us what you think. I don't know about human beings. We're all rubbing head together.
Yes.
So let us rub the head together. At Mayowa Lambe, at Ogbolor, at Wazobia TV NG. Face us in the facing book.
Yes.
You understand? Let's face ourselves there. And also all these many things.
Till Monday.
Thank you so much.
Monday.
See you on Monday. We love you very much. Adios, hasta la vista.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.